Hi, guys and girls. Do you sometimes struggle wearing loose bottoms and skirts and do you have to resort to wearing a heavy, uncomfortable belt? Well, another alternative that I found is the skinny clip. It's so much more convenient without giving you the hassle of having to loop something around your waist. With the skinny clip, I realized that it gives me the exact measurements that fits my body. It's lighter and definitely cheaper. When I get my hand-me-downs from my sister, I can easily adjust the size of her measurements to mine in seconds. All I do is I slide it on the waistband as far as it can go, twist it 1/4 clockwise or counterclockwise, then move the waistband around the hook and hook it inside of the waistband. Then you twist it 180 degrees, half turn in the same direction. And finally, hook it onto the outside of the waistband. It's super easy. I love this invention, and I am definitely saying goodbye to belts from here on out. Skinny clips are simple, light, and overall such a smart invention. I've already told my friends about these, and they're also big fans, and I hope you will be too. If you want more information or you want to get one too, go to www.skinnyclip.com and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching.